Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mark and Mia.
Hi, friends. We're so glad you're here today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Mia. Today, we have a super practical lesson for you.
We're going to learn how to shop at a grocery store in English.
Yes, the grocery store is where you buy food and everyday items.
This lesson is perfect for beginners. We'll learn simple phrases you can use right away.
Whether you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country, you'll need these words.
We'll practice together, step by step.
Before we start, please give us a like. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons every week.
Okay, let's go shopping.
Are you ready? Let's go.
So, Mark, when you go to the grocery store, what's the first thing you do?
First, I get a shopping cart or a basket.
Perfect. A shopping cart is the big thing with wheels. You push it around the store.
A basket is smaller. You carry it in your hand.
If you're buying a lot of things, get a cart. If you're buying just a few items, get a basket.
Let's practice. Say, I need a shopping cart.
Now say, I'll get a basket.
Great. Now let's talk about the different sections in a grocery store.
Yes, every grocery store has different sections. Let's learn them.
First, there's the produce section. This is where you find fresh fruits and vegetables.
Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables. Apples, bananas, carrots, lettuce.
In the produce section, you can pick what you want. You put it in a bag.
Let's say it. I'm going to the produce section.
Perfect. Next, there's the dairy section.
The dairy section has milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter.
Dairy means products made from milk.
These items are usually in refrigerators because they need to stay cold.
Let's practice. I need to buy milk from the dairy section.
Excellent. Then there's the meat section.
This is where you find chicken, beef, pork, and fish.
Some stores have a butcher. The butcher can help you choose meat and cut it for you.
You can ask, "Can I have 1 pound of chicken, please?"
Pound is a measurement. It's about 450 grams.
Let's say, I'd like some chicken from the meat section.
Great. Now, what about the bakery section?
The bakery has fresh bread, rolls, cakes, and cookies.
It often smells so good. Fresh bread is delicious.
You can say, "I'll get some bread from the bakery."
Perfect. There's also the frozen food section.
This section has frozen vegetables, ice cream, frozen meals, and more.
Everything is in freezers. You open the door and take what you need.
Let's practice. I'm buying ice cream from the frozen section.
Yum! Now let's learn some useful questions you might ask in the store.
Good idea. First question, where is the bread?
If you can't find something, just ask. Store employees are happy to help.
They might say, it's in aisle 5. An aisle is the space between shelves.
Or they might say, follow me, I'll show you. That means they'll take you there.
Let's practice asking, excuse me, where is the milk?
Excellent. Another useful question, do you have any more in the back?
Sometimes items are sold out on the shelf, but there might be more in the storage area.
In the back means the storage area of the store.
You can also ask, how much is this? That means, what's the price?
The employee will tell you the price, or you can look at the price tag on the shelf.
Let's say, excuse me, how much is this cheese?
Perfect. Now let's talk about quantities. This is important when shopping.
Yes, you might need a bottle of something, like a bottle of water.
Or a carton of milk or juice. A carton is a box-shaped container.
Or a loaf of bread. A loaf is the shape of bread.
Or a bag of rice or chips.
Let's practice, I need a bottle of water.
Now say, I want a loaf of bread.
Great. Now say, I'll buy a bag of apples.
Wonderful. You're doing so well.
Now, let's learn what happens at the checkout. That's where you pay.
Yes. When you finish shopping, you go to the checkout counter.
The cashier is the person who helps you pay. They scan your items.
Scan means they use a machine to read the barcode and see the price.
The cashier might ask, "Did you find everything okay?"
You can say, yes, thank you, or yes, everything was great.
Then they ask, "Cash or card?" That means, "How will you pay?"
You can answer, card, please, or I'll pay with cash.
Let's practice. I'll pay with my card.
Perfect. The cashier might also ask, do you need bags?
Some stores charge for plastic bags, so they ask first.
You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you. I have my own bag.
Bringing your own bag is good for the environment.
Let's say, yes, I need a bag, please.
Great. Now let's practice a full conversation at the grocery store. Listen carefully.
Ready? Here we go.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3 in the dairy section.
Thank you. And do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, the bakery is at the back of the store.
Perfect. One more question. How much are these apples?
They're $3 per pound.
Great. I'll take 2 pounds. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Did you catch all of that? Let's listen again. Pay attention to the polite phrases.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 3 in the dairy section.
Thank you. And do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, the bakery is at the back of the store.
How much are these apples?
They're $3 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds. Thank you.
See? Simple and polite.
Now, let's learn some vocabulary for common grocery items.
Yes, let's start with fruits. Apples, bananas, oranges, grapes.
Vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, onions, potatoes.
Dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, butter, eggs.
Wait, Mark, eggs aren't dairy, but they're usually near the dairy section.
You're right. Good point, Mia.
Other common items, bread, rice, pasta, cereal.
And drinks. Water, juice, soda, coffee, tea.
Don't forget snacks, chips, cookies, crackers, candy.
So many things. Let's practice. Say, I need to buy milk, bread, and apples.
Perfect. Now, here's a helpful tip. Make a shopping list.
A shopping list is a paper where you write everything you need to buy.
This helps you remember everything and saves time.
You can say, I always make a shopping list before I go to the store.
Such a good habit. Let's practice. I'm making my shopping list.
Excellent. One more thing. Let's talk about comparing prices.
Yes. Sometimes you want to find the best price. You can say, this one is cheaper.
Cheaper means it costs less money. It's a better deal.
Or you can say, that one is more expensive. It costs more money.
You might also see signs that say, on sale. That means the price is lower than usual.
Great time to buy. Let's say these cookies are on sale.
Perfect. You're learning so much today.
Okay, friends, let's do our recap.
Today, we learned all about shopping at the grocery store in English.
We learned about shopping carts and baskets.
We learned the different sections: produce, dairy, meat, bakery, and frozen foods.
We learned useful questions like, where is the milk? And how much is this?
We learned quantities: a bottle of, a carton of, a loaf of, a bag of.
We learned what happens at checkout: cash or card and do you need bags?
And we learned lots of vocabulary for common grocery items.
Now you can shop confidently in English.
Time for our community question. We're so excited to hear from you.
Here it is. What's your favorite thing to buy at the grocery store?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Do you love fresh fruit? Maybe ice cream or snacks?
Use the vocabulary we learned. For example, my favorite thing is chocolate from the candy aisle.
We read every comment. We want to know what you love.
Bonus question, do you make a shopping list or do you just remember what you need?
Share your shopping habits with us. Are you organized or spontaneous?
Every time you write in English, you're practicing. You're getting better.
We're so proud of you for learning with us today.
Listen to this episode again.